Welcome to another meditate with me. It is a really nice spring day today. The sun is shining, and I thought it's a perfect moment to perhaps be a bit grateful and appreciating of what is good around us. We sometimes tend to notice only negative things. Unfortunately, the news are full of all kinds of bad news and things happening in the world. And it's sometimes good to just simply disengage from that doom scrolling and let ourselves to take the good in, the positive things inside. Enjoy life a little bit. There's nothing wrong with it. So I hope you will join me in relaxing, calming the mind, and then a little bit of focusing on the positive, on the good, enjoying life as it is. It's sometimes hard, it sometimes doesn't have that many positives, but usually we are able to find at least one thing we can be grateful for, we can enjoy. And as always, you can start by sitting comfortably, taking a deep breath, just letting the body settle in. Perhaps in a sitting position, you can lie down, you can stand, whatever's most comfortable to you today or wherever you are. And if it's okay for you to close your eyes, I invite you to close your eyes. It really helps us tune in into our internal state. And first, simply notice the body position in space, how the feet are perhaps planted on the ground or floor. How does it feel to sit or lie down? Notice your breathing. And allow the shoulders to drop, arms be heavy. Unclench the jaw. And soften any muscles if you notice any tension. Soften the belly, face muscles, those around the eyes. Just taking this minute for body relaxation can be quite helpful. And perhaps you're already noticed that it brings you some pleasant sensations. Joy. And if you notice unpleasant sensation in the body, you can consciously shift the attention towards something more pleasant. Perhaps it's better for you to listen to the sounds. The sound of my voice, the sound in your environment. Let's treat the sounds as a background, surround sound. Like a movie soundtrack. Just stay present with the body, the sounds, the breathing. Let the mind rest. Sometimes we just need rest. That's all we need to be happy. Not always finding time to rest. So even if it's the only time you will have a bit of a break today, let yourself enjoy it. Fully immerse in the rest. Noticing how it feels to simply stop and relax. And perhaps there are some more things you are grateful for today. You may want to bring those things to mind. I'll share some examples from my life. And of course you might have many more or different things that you're grateful for in your life. Allow yourself to remember those. And today I'm grateful for friends. I was meeting a friend this morning. We had a wonderful chat and coffee together. So I'm really grateful for people in my life that make all my days meaningful, enjoyable, interesting, filled with love. And perhaps you have a person or more people like that. Allow yourself to just feel those feelings of happiness when you are around them. Perhaps remind yourself of situations where you spend time with people you love. Sometimes it's difficult to think of people, but maybe you spend such happy times with pets or animals or time in nature. That will be my another happy moment and thing I'm grateful for. Ability to go outside, experience the sun, all the flowers starting to come out, first leaves on the trees as the spring starts in the northern hemisphere, the smell of spring. The air is still cool, but it's so pleasant and enjoyable to be outside again. And so perhaps you too enjoy nature, animals, plants. Maybe the weather is becoming mild where you live as well. And you can simply remember spending time outside and enjoying it for a moment. Allow it to sink it in. All the feelings of pleasure, joy that you take away from these experiences. And there are other things you may be grateful for. There's no need to list them, but perhaps just think of one thing that you are specifically very appreciative of today. It can be anything. And then allow yourself to remember how it feels exactly. What thoughts, emotions, what kind of sensations in the body this experience or thing brings for you. Just allowing the positive, the good to really sink inside of you. Just breathing in the good, letting it warm your body, your mind, your heart. It helps to remember that there's still so much good surrounding you. It helps to remember when we perhaps encounter some difficulties. So I invite you to just spend a moment in silence, thinking of the positive, something you're grateful for, something that is recent, you remember it well. And just let it sink in. And if your thoughts, your mind gets pulled away by something else, just bring it back, bringing it back to what you're grateful for. It's okay if you get distracted, it's normal. But for a moment, we're just allowing ourselves to think of only good things. You can stay in this relaxed position, rest for longer moment if you can, or if you're ready, very slowly, perhaps return to the body by taking a few deep breaths. Move the fingers and toes and open the eyes. Perhaps opening eyes slowly as the light might be bright. I hope you enjoyed this experience of a little bit of gratitude and joy and positive emotions. I think in my case it really helps to remind myself that there is good surrounding me and it's not all bad and doom and gloom. I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope you will find more positive and happy things to be grateful for this spring and going forward, of course, as well.